Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are well. I am your English teacher. Students, we are on chapter number 9, The Thrush Girl. This is third and last session of this chapter. In the previous sessions, we read about a girl who wanted to understand animals' language. First, she learned thrush's language, and when she went to the woods to understand thrushes, she knew about the rain, and she informed to her father to keep the hay inside as it will rain tomorrow. After that, she learned to understand moles. When she heard moles, she told to her father, bury the potatoes in the ground as they will freeze tomorrow. Her father informed to all the other farmers, but they didn't take it seriously. And when all the potatoes froze next day, all the farmers were very sad. And they said, the girl is bewitched. After this, girl learned the language of bees. And when she was able to understand bees, one day she told to her mother to prop up the trees as there will be a great storm that night. As usual, she was right. Due to a storm, all the trees broke and bowed. Only the girl's orchard was same as before. Now farmers got so angry and they decided to burn her. For this purpose, all the people brought dry branches, and when the girl was standing on the pile of dry branches, she called thrushes for her help. After a few minutes, thousands of thrushes came down and took twigs with them. Soon the girl was standing on the grass. After this, king's soldier came to come off her head, and at this time she called bees for her help. Okay students, let's continue to know how did bees help her and what happened with her after this. Students, first I'll read a paragraph, then I'll explain it in English and Urdu. And before explaining, I'll tell you meaning of difficult words. Let's begin. The man with the axe did not understand her, for she spoke in bee language. But the bees did, and just as the man raised his axe, there came a loud humming, and thousands of bees dived at him with their stings ready to strike. The man fell to the ground, and the king's soldiers scattered in terror. The little girl ran home at top speed and cried, "Father, mother, here I am. The bees have saved me." Humming means low, steady, continuous sound of bees. Scattered means distract or disorganized. Terror means extreme fear. Students, this paragraph states that when the king's soldiers took the girl with them to come off her head, she called bees for her help. The man who had axe with him could not understand what she was saying because she was speaking in bee language. But the bees understood her, and when the man was ready to attack her, thousands of bees came and struck him. He fell down, and other soldiers ran away with fear. Then the girl ran towards her home quickly and said to her parents that bees have saved me. Okay students, now I'll explain this paragraph in Urdu. जब गर्ल ने अपनी हेल्प के लिए बीस को बुलाया तो वो आदमी जिसके पास कुल्हाड़ी थी नहीं समझ सका कि वो लड़की क्या कह रही है, क्योंकि वो बीस की लैंग्वेज में बात कर रही थी। लेकिन जैसे ही उस आदमी ने कुल्हाड़ी उठाई, हजारों की तादाद में बीस वहां पर आ गईं और उस आदमी पर हमला कर दिया। खौफ की वजह से दूसरे सिपाही भी इधर उधर हो गए। वो लड़की भागती हुई अपने घर गई और अपने पेरेंट्स को बताया कि बीस ने मुझे बचाया है। लेट्स मूव ऑन। But now the king himself took a hand. He rang the bell and said, I have come to fetch your daughter. I cannot kill her, but she shall be shut up in a stone tower. So the girl was taken to a tower with thick walls. The windows had iron bars and the door was shut with 3 locks. It was so dark that she could see nothing, but she heard the rats and mice. The little girl sat on the ground and began to weep bitterly. Students, took a hand is a phrase. It means become influential in determining something. This paragraph states that after the bees' attack of king's soldiers, king himself decided to take action against the girl. He came to the girl's house, he rang the bell and said to her father that, I have come to take away your daughter. He said he will not kill her, but he will keep her in the stone tower. When the girl went there, she saw the walls of tower were very thick. Windows had iron bars and doors had 3 locks. There was very dark. She could not see anything. She can only hear the voice of mice and rats. She was so worried and began to cry. Okay students, now I'll explain this paragraph in Urdu. जब किंग के सिपाहियों पर बीज ने अटैक कर दिया तो किंग ने इस मामले को खुद हैंडल करने का फैसला किया। वो इस लड़की के घर गया, उसके पेरेंट्स से कहा कि मैं आपकी बेटी को लेने आया हूँ। मैं उसे जान से नहीं मारूंगा, लेकिन उसे स्टोन टावर में बंद कर दिया जाएगा। उस लड़की को स्टोन टावर ले जाया गया। वहां की दीवारें बहुत ज्यादा थिक थीं और विंडोज पर आयरन बार्स लगे हुए थे और दरवाजों को 3-3 ताले लगाकर बंद किया गया था। वहां पर बहुत ज्यादा अंधेरा था। वो लड़की कुछ भी नहीं देख सकती थी अंधेरे की वजह से। उसे वहां पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ चूहों की आवाज सुनाई दे रही थी। वो बैठ गई और रोने लगी। लेट्स मूव ऑन। I shall never get out, she said. Oh, moles, moles, help me now. No sooner had she said this than thousands of moles began to tunnel under the tower. The walls began to tilt and topple. The floor burst open and the bars sprang out of the window frames and suddenly crashed. The tower fell with a roar that shook the whole country. The king was just having breakfast when he heard it. He put down his knife and fork and said, The tower has fallen. Did you hear it? Students, tunnel means an artificial underground passage. Tilt means move or cause to move in a sloping position. Topple means remove from power or overbalance. This paragraph states that when the girl was crying, she said, I shall never get out from here. Then she asked moles for her help. And very soon thousands of moles came and started making tunnel under the tower. Because of this, walls started falling and window bars sprang out from the windows. Suddenly, a very loud roar was heard of tower falling. When this happened, the king was having breakfast with his son. He stopped eating, put his knife and fork down, and said to her son, Tower fell down. Did you hear it? Okay students, now I'll explain this paragraph in Urdu. जब वो लड़की स्टोन टावर में अकेली बैठी रो रही थी तो उसने मोल्स को अपनी मदद के लिए पुकारा और कुछ ही लम्हों में हजारों की तादाद में मोल्स वहां पर आ गए और उन्होंने टावर के नीचे टनल बनानी शुरू कर दी। आहिस्ता आहिस्ता दीवारें गिरना शुरू हो गईं, उनमें दरारें पड़ने लगीं और विंडो बार्स निकलकर दूर दूर गिर गए और फिर अचानक से वो एक जोरदार आवाज के साथ वो टावर गिर गया। जिस वक्त ये हुआ उस वक्त किंग अपने बेटे के साथ नाश्ता कर रहा था। उसने जब टावर गिरने की आवाज सुनी तो उसने अपना नाइफ और फोक रख दिया और अपने बेटे से कहा कि टावर गिर गया, क्या तुमने आवाज सुनी? Okay students, let's move on to know what happened next. Yes, father, said the prince. Shall I marry her now? I think you should, said the king. Although she is rather small, and together they stepped into their coach with 4 horses and rode at full speed to the house where the little girl lived. She was standing in the garden, scattering crumbs for the birds. Students, this paragraph states that when King asked to his son, "Did you hear the falling voice of the tower?" he replied, "Yes." He more said, "Father, I want to marry the girl." King replied, "I think you should, although she is rather small." After this, they went to the girl's house, and when they reached there, girl was giving crumbs to the birds. Okay students, now I'll explain this paragraph in Urdu. जब बादशाह ने अपने बेटे से कहा कि तुमने स्टोन टावर गिरने की आवाज सुनी, तो बेटे ने जवाब दिया, यस फादर। उसने मजीद कहा, फादर मैं इस लड़की से शादी कर सकता हूं? किंग ने जवाब दिया, यस यू शुड, अगरचा वो अभी छोटी है। एंड आफ्टर दिस वो दोनों उस लड़की के घर गए। जब वो दोनों वहां पहुंचे तो वो अपने गार्डन में खड़ी परिंदों को क्रम्स दे रही थी। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स मूव ऑन। Will you marry me later on? Asked the prince. No, said the girl, I will not. I do not like the people here. I shall go away. She packed 3 jam sandwiches in her basket and added a few black currants. Then she put on her fur-trimmed cloak and went away. And no one ever saw her again. Students, this paragraph states that when the king and prince reached to the girl's house, Prince asked her, "Will you marry me?" She replied, "No, I will not." She more added, "I'll go away from here as I don't like the people live here." Then she packed her basket. She took 3 jam sandwiches and few black currants. She put on her cloak and went away from there. And after this, no one ever saw her again. Okay students, now I'll explain this paragraph in Urdu. जब किंग और प्रिंस उस लड़की के घर पहुंचे तो प्रिंस ने उस लड़की को शादी की ऑफर की, लेकिन उस लड़की ने इनकार कर दिया। उसने कहा कि मुझे यहाँ के लोग पसंद नहीं हैं, मैं यहाँ से चली जाऊंगी। इसके बाद उसने 3 जैम सैंडविचेस लिए, कुछ ब्लैक करंट्स अपनी बास्केट में रखे और अपना क्लॉक पहनकर वो वहां से दूर चली गई। और इस वाक़े के बाद उस लड़की को किसी ने नहीं देखा। स्टूडेंट्स, दिस चैप्टर हैज कंप्लीटेड। नाउ मूव टुवर्ड्स रिमेनिंग एक्सरसाइजेस। Students, here are the words meaning of list. Read these words meaning with me. Thrush, a type of a songbird, एक गाने वाला परिंदा. Damage means hurt or injury. उर्दू meaning नुकसान पहुंचाना. Stacked means piled neatly, अंबार लगाना या जमा करना. Bewitched, it means affected by a magic spell, जादू किया हुआ. Gleaming means bright or shining, चमकता हुआ. Moaned, it means made a complaint about something, दर्द से कराहना या शिकायत करना. Crumbs means small pieces of bread, रोटी के छोटे टुकड़े. Orchard means an enclosed garden of fruit trees, फलों का बाग. Soaked means to steep in a liquid or drenched, भीग जाना या गीला होना. Storm means a violent occurrence of the atmosphere, Urdu meaning tufan. Trimmed means to cut something, to make something neat by cutting it, Urdu meaning tarashna ya durust karna. Students, we have done 2 questions of exercise A in the previous sessions. Now you can see 2 more questions of this exercise on your screen. First is, how did the animals help the child? Yes, students, how did different animals or birds help the girl? Yes, answer is the thrushes saved the girl from being burned. The bees saved her from the man with the axe, and the moles freed her from the tower. Students, next question is, what happened to the man with the axe? Yes, answer is the man with the axe was stung by the bees till he dropped to the ground. Okay, students, now move towards summary of this chapter. Students, now you can see the summary of this chapter. The story is about a girl who used to predict and advise for the welfare of the people, as she was able to understand the language of thrushes, moles and bees. Because of this, her life had always been at risk, as people had considered her to be a witch. She was disliked by the people and was sentenced to death. Luckily, she was saved by the animal friends every time. Unfortunately, the king decided to imprison her in the stone tower, but the moles came for her help by weakening up the tower foundation. In the end, she inspired the prince but didn't marry him because she didn't like the people there and went away. Students, this chapter has completed. Read it thoroughly. I hope all of you have done the previous work of this chapter, which we did in the session 1 and session 2. Now first make index, then do words meaning, question number 3 and 4 of exercise A and summary, and learn all the work of this chapter. Inshallah, we will start new chapter in the next session. Thank you. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.